Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Pydantic AI and LangGraph. In order to do so, here we are at langchain.com/LangGraph, and we're also at ai.pydantic.dev. According to Cider AI, Pydantic AI and LangGraph are both emerging tools aimed at simplifying the development of applications involving AI and language processing. They serve different purposes and have unique features that cater to specific developer needs. Here is a detailed comparison. With Pydantic, you have an extension of the popular @Pydantic library, which is designed for data validation and settings management using Python type annotations. Pydantic AI specifically focuses on simplifying the integration of AI model input-output validation and type safety in applications. Key features include data validation. It ensures that the data passed to AI models adheres to specific types and formats, reducing errors in data processing. Has type annotations. It leverages Python's type hints to create models for AI inputs and outputs, improving code readability and manageability. Integration with AI frameworks can be used alongside popular AI frameworks to validate user inputs and model responses. It has ease of use, streamlining the process and setting up and maintaining data schemas for applications that utilize AI models, making it especially useful for developers working with complex data structures. It's primarily aimed at Python developers working on AI applications who need robust data validation and type checking. LangGraph, on the other hand, is a framework designed to facilitate the development of applications using large language models. It focuses on providing tools for building applications that leverage natural language processing capabilities. Its key features include allowing developers to create complex workflows and pipelines, modeling interactions between various components of language processing applications. It simplifies the process of connecting with popular LLMs for generating text, completing tasks, and more. Developers can easily create and customize components tailored to specific use cases, promoting flexibility and reuse. It often includes high-level abstractions to make it easier for developers to manage language-related functionalities without deep knowledge of underlying technologies. Its target audience is aimed at developers looking to build applications centered around natural language processing and interaction with language models, including chatbots, text analysis tools, and other AI-driven applications. In summary, Pydantic focuses on data validation and type safety in AI applications, ideal for Python developers who need to ensure data integrity in their models. LangGraph provides a framework for building applications that leverage large language models, emphasizing the construction of complex workflows and language processing functionalities. In conclusion, your choice between Pydantic AI and LangGraph should be based on your specific needs. If your priority is robust data validation and type management in AI workflows, Pydantic is the way to go. If you're looking to develop applications that involve natural language processing and require integration with language models, LangGraph may be more suitable. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at our link tree in the description. You will find links to our X account. We've just gotten started there. We would love to have you. We also have information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, and you can use discount code SKILLCRAFT60 in order to get 60% off your subscription with Sintra AI. We also have links to Cider AI and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.